Hi, this is Savannah from 123eHost. Today I'm going to show you on how to set up your website for free. If you don't have the budget to spend on a web designer, this is your chance to learn with a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own website at no additional cost. In this tutorial, we will learn on how to create web pages, how to add menus, how to add a contact page with a Google map, how to add widgets and social media icons, how to set up contact form, how to link a video page, etc. We will be using WordPress for this tutorial. You'll also realize how easy and powerful it is. My goal is to help you understand the process on how to set up your website and keep it updated. WordPress is a free software and comes with thousands of different templates. WordPress is the most used content management system, which means you can edit your website from the back end using any computer. You do not need to install any softwares on your computer. It is the perfect software for small businesses, and you will be able to find any template of your business. Let's get started and use WordPress for your business. You would first need to purchase a domain name and a web hosting account. What is a domain name? A domain name is a way to identify and locate computers and resources connected to the internet. No two organizations can have the same domain name. Every company or organization that wants to be on the internet will register a domain name for use as their online identity or name that clients will use to access online services such as the organization's websites or email system. What is a web hosting service? A web hosting service is a type of internet hosting service that allows individuals and organizations to make their website accessible via the World Wide Web. Web hosts are companies that provide space on a server owned or leased for use by clients, as well as providing internet connectivity, typically in a data center. You can register a domain name at 123ehost.com by clicking on Domain Registration under the Domain submenu. Go to 123ehost.com. On the main page, enter the domain name that represents your company into the domain search box and then click on Find. If the domain name is available, choose the domain and click on Done and then follow the instructions. We will not get into details on how to register a domain name. You can contact us if you encounter any problems. Next, we suggest to purchase the 123 Pro plan, since it is WordPress optimized and the server is supported with all the modules that are required to have your website up and running. The cost is $99 a year, and we will support you with any WordPress questions while you are building your website. This also includes unlimited email addresses, stats, unlimited domain add-ons, etc. You can check your prices and plan page for more details. You can purchase the Ultra plan by clicking on Web Hosting from the top menu and then click on Sign Up and follow the instructions. How to set up WordPress. Log into your cPanel using your domain name .com/cPanel. In this case, we will be using 123eHostServers.com/cPanel. You should get a prompt for username and password. Enter the information that was provided to you in your welcome email and press Login. Now you're in a cPanel dashboard. Scroll down and click on Site Softwares and then WordPress. On this page, create a username and a password. I do not suggest to use admin as the username since it's a common word. Enter your email address and the rest you can leave it as default. Now click on Install. If you just purchased the domain name, you would need to wait few hours for the domain to propagate. WordPress should be installed on a website. This is how the default page should look like. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the website using the WordPress backend, which we call Content Management System. This link for the backend is always your domain name .com/wp-admin. On this page, it will prompt you for username and password. So enter the username and password you've used when setting up WordPress and click Login. Here we are in the dashboard. This is basically the back end of the website. This allows us to edit all of the content on the website. Install WordPress theme. Let's go and get a website theme. Click on Appearances, click on Themes. After we've clicked on Themes, we will go to this page. Click on Install Themes on the top of the page. For this tutorial, we will be using the responsive theme. Type the word responsive into the search box and click on Search. This website theme comes up. The reason we are using the responsive theme is because it is compatible on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices such as your iPad, iPhones, and also works great on Androids, Blackberries, and any kind of device. This is because the responsive theme adjusts to your screen resolution automatically. Let's go and install this website theme. Click on Install Now, and then click on Activate. The new theme is activated. Let's go visit the website and we can see that it is now showing the default responsive theme. Let's go back to the dashboard now and start making the website. You may notice that on the browser tab, it shows just another WordPress site. We can change that to what we like it to show. Go back to the dashboard and click on Settings. Under Site Title, this will change the beginning part of the browser tab. You should change that to your company name, My Company Name. And under Tagline, remove just another WordPress site and replace it with your own slogan. Support is our #1 priority. Let's go ahead and save that. Let's go to the website and refresh. And voila! We can see that it has changed. Adding pages to the website. Now let's go back to the dashboard and add pages to the website. Click on Pages and then Add New. As you can see, it is very similar to Microsoft Word. We can go ahead and create About Us page, depending on what you're making the website for. In this case, we're creating a small business website. Under Title, type in About Us. Then you can just write or paste your content here. I will be using 123ehost.com's About Us page. Click on Publish. Let's go to the live site, and now you should see About Us page under the menu bar. I would also like to show you how to add a photo to my page. Let's go back to the dashboard. I'm going to put the cursor right beside where the sentence starts and click on Add Media. I have an image of 123eHost building on my computer that I would like to add. Click on Select Files, choose the image. You should always practice giving a relevant name to each image. This will optimize your images in search engines. For example, if you are selling a computer, you should always give the exact model for each computer image that you are uploading. When someone is searching for a specific model on Google and choosing the Image tab, the page will show all the computers with the same model, and if your image is on this page and they click on the image, we will redirect you to your website. Now let's go back to the dashboard. I like to make the image more aligned to the page. When you're on the image, it will give you the option to edit. Click on Edit. We need to remove the link URL, so just click on None. I would also like to give a relevant name to the image. In this case, 123 eHost Building. Afterwards, under Alignment, choose Left so the picture goes on the left of the text. Finally, click on Update. Let's go back to the live site and refresh it. You can see that we have uploaded a photo and it is aligned to the paragraph. Another thing I would like to do is to remove leave comments from the web page. Go back to the dashboard and under Discussion, uncheck Allow Comments. Create a contact page. Next thing I would like to show you is a contact page. Click on Pages, then Add New. Type in Contact and click on Publish. Refresh your browser. We can see that a contact page has been added on the menu. Let's go back and let's add a contact form into the page. For this, you need to install a plugin. So click on Plugin and Add New. Under Search field, simply type in Contact Form and search Plugins. Choose Contact Form 7. This plugin works great with any WordPress themes. So on Contact Form 7, let's go ahead and click on Install Now. Click OK. On the next page, activate the plugin. Now that we have activated the plugin, you will notice Contact has been added to our left menu. So let's click on Contact. Copy the shortcode. Go back to your contact page that we created earlier. Click on Edit and make sure to click on Text tab right here and then paste the code. Then click on Update. Refresh your browser. You will now notice the contact page. Now users will be able to contact you using the contact form page. Adding a Google map. There's one more thing I would like to show you on the contact page. That is embedding a Google map that shows our location. There's a lot of small businesses that like to show their location to visitors. Go to google.com. Let's click on Maps. I'm going to type in our address. Once I get the result, click on Link button and copy the HTML. Go back to your dashboard to your contact page and paste it above the contact form. This way, the Google map will be on the top of the page. Let's go back to the live site and click on Contact. You will see that we have embedded the Google map with our location. Go back to the dashboard. Click on Visual on the tab. we should also write a content above the map. For example, our address is 400 Curé-Labelle Boulevard, Suite 501, Laval, Quebec, H7V 2S7, Canada. Then click on Update. Go back, refresh the live website. We got a contact form. How to add a video. Now I'm going to show you on how to add videos to your website. Let's go to Pages, add a new page. Let's call it Videos. Click on Publish. Now let's go to youtube.com and I will show you an example on how to embed a YouTube video. Let's just do a search on, say, business-to-business marketing. Let's choose the video and put it on our website. Click on Share. Click on Embed. Copy the code that shows up. Go back to the dashboard. Click on Text tab and paste the code and then click on Update. Let's go back to our live website and hit Refresh. Click on Videos menu. You can see that the YouTube video has been embedded to the page. You can add any videos. I think we've learned so far on how to add pages to your website, including videos, contact form, Google Map, text, and images. Now let's go ahead and delete the sample page that came with WordPress. Click on Pages from the left menu. Put a check mark beside Sample Page. Move to Trash and click on Apply. Let's go to the live website. Hit on Refresh. It's no longer on the menu. Set up Home Page. We want to make the home page more attractive. Let's go to the dashboard. Click on Pages and New Page. Type in Home in the title field and click on Publish. To make the home page that we've created appear under the menu, you need to go to Settings from the left menu in the dashboard. Click on Reading. Let's click on Static Page and select Home on the front page and click on Save Changes. Let's go back to the live website and refresh. Now we can see the default page that comes with the responsive theme. The next step is to update the content of the home page. Let's go back to the dashboard, click on Appearance, then Theme Options. Select the Home Page tab. We can see that this is the content of your live website on the home page. So we would want to replace this content with our content. Let's just write anything. Free website builder. Create a full responsive website in 30 minutes. And then on the content area, you can type in a paragraph. Purchase a WordPress optimized website for $99 a year and get free support for any questions regarding your responsive website. Contact us at helpdesk@123ehost.com. Our response time is 15 minutes or less. Our call to action URL function here is where the button goes on your website. In this case, I want to go to Contact Us page. Copy the URL and paste it on Call to Action field. And now for call to action text, what this is the text on the button. I want to replace this and rename it with Contact Us. Okay. Let's click on Save and go through the live website and refresh. Okay. We have our content appearing on the website. How to set up widgets. Okay. Next step, we will be working on the widgets. Let's go to our About Us page. As you can see on the right column, these widgets. Let's get rid of those and add some other widgets. Go back to your dashboard. Under Appearances, click on Widgets. Under Main slider, let's leave this search widget so we can have visitors use the search field to search for something on the website. This is very useful if you are selling products. Let's get rid of the rest. Just drag and drop to the middle here, and let's just keep our search widget there. Let's go back to the live website and refresh. You will see that we only have the search widget here. A lot of small business websites like to have their social media widgets on the website. This is also good for search engine optimization. I'm going to show you on how to add a YouTube widget. Let's go back to the dashboard and click on Plugins. Then add a new plugin. One of the great things about WordPress is there are over 10,000 plugins available. So feel free to add any other widgets, such as Facebook or Twitter. We're going to use this example on how to add the YouTube widget. Type in YouTube subscribers and search plugin. Choose the widget and click on Install Now. Activate the plugin. Go to Appearances and Widgets. Now you can see that the YouTube widget has been added to the widget page. Let's go ahead and drag that to the right. Open it. Type in your username. Leave the title as is. And leave the default width and height and save. Okay, we've added a YouTube widget to our website. Let's go to the live website and hit refresh. And here you go. As I mentioned before, there are thousands of plugins and widgets available. In this tutorial, I have showed you on how to add a YouTube widget. Most widgets are straightforward and easy to customize. We will do our best to help you if you encounter any problems with any widget. But bear in mind that if you get stuck with these third-party widgets and require our help to install it, the support for this is not included with your web hosting account. We can either direct you where to get help, or we can do the installation for a small fee, depending on the situation. Let's go back to our home page. Next, I will show you on how to update these widgets below. You will see these are preset widgets that already come with the response theme. Home Widget 1, Home Widget 2, Home Widget 3. Let's go back to our dashboard. You should see Home Widget 1, Home Widget 2, Home Widget 3. Now if you want to add content to these widgets, simply just drag and drop the text box into these widgets. You can put a title here and the content here. I'm just going to copy and paste some text and save. As you notice, this widget does not have any visual editor. You're just entering plain text. I'm going to use a plugin for that. So let's go back to our plugins and click on Add New. Search for Black Studio Tiny MCE widget. Here it is. click on Install Now. Activate plugin. Let's go back to our widget, and we can see that the Black Studio Tiny MCE widget has been activated on the widget page. Now let's grab it and drag it to the home widget too. And now we have a visual editor, similar to Microsoft Words. Let's add a title, some text. Click on Add Media to add an image. Here we go. Now let's go back to the live website, refresh the home page. Now we can see that the text and image are added to your website. Okay, we're almost done. The last thing I want to show you is how to add your logo to your website. Let's assume you've already had a logo. Go back to your dashboard. Under Appearances, click on Theme Options. Click on Logo Upload and click here. Choose File. Let's select the 123ehost.com logo and click on Upload. This allows us to crop the logo. Here we go. Click on Crop and Publish. Save Pages. Let's check the live website. Refresh. We can see that we have a logo now. Thank you for listening to my tutorial. You should now be able to set up your own website. We understand that this is something new to you. We are experts of WordPress. Therefore, we will be able to answer any questions related to your WordPress website. As mentioned earlier in the video, if you encounter any problems with a third-party widget plugin, we will try our best to answer to your questions. Thanks again, and do not hesitate to contact us for further assistance. This is Savannah from Montreal, Canada, and on behalf of 123eHost, thank you for listening.